welcome back. If you haven't checked out all the previous videos on the Shovelhead, I'll put some links everywhere, go check them out. Let's get into this. I was gonna make a sissy bar for this bad boy. Luckily somebody had one, exactly what I was gonna make for the most part. So I got this thing, I'm gonna put for the back of this, just like that. I gotta make some brackets. It's gonna be bummed, but I'm gonna shave all these welds down and possibly do some other things with these pieces. But let's get into it. So I got the fender chopped up. I cut the end off whatever the hell those are, the strut thingamajiggers. And I got these two bowl holes. And here's the sissy bar. So I gotta make a plate that holds the sissy bar in somehow. But this is pretty much what I think I'm gonna go for. Let's make these little plate things that go in here. I just gotta decide if I want them on the outside or the inside. Probably the inside because it looks cooler. Okay, so I made these plates. I don't know if you can see them really. For both sides of the sissy bar. They're pretty haggard. I made the gap way too big. It's gonna be a lot of filler action going on. But whatever, they'll work. After doing these, I gotta get a drill press. Hitting it with the drill, the hand drill, is the worst. It takes me forever. I burn all my bits out. And it's not me, it's the drill. But otherwise, here we go. I'm gonna try to mock this up and then go from there. Let's see what happens. These holes probably won't even line up, I'm assuming. I need another bolt. Oh, here it is. I knew I had it somewhere. Oh yeah, that'll work. There's no hole in the fender right here, so I gotta make one. Probably should do that right now. Alright, so this fender has a little bump on one side only, and it's giving me trouble, so I'm gonna hack it. See, it's a pain in the ass. Like, it's stuck in here, so when I try to slide the plate in there, it just bulges all crazy. So I'm just gonna cut it out and I don't know, weld it up. I'm gonna weld this fender up anyways because it's got a bunch of holes, pinholes I can fix up. Let's get it done. All right, that's the bulge I was talking about. It's only on one side, which is a pain in the ass. So I'm just gonna hack it. And then probably fix it. Alright, wart removed. Another thing I've got to fix. Let's keep going. Alright, I got the fender all mounted, pretty much. Just good enough to tack weld the sissy bar to it, but it's sturdy. And I had to drill some holes. I'm gonna go with some sort of like spikes on here eventually, so I'm just gonna leave these this way. I'll rearrange it before I put the tire on. But yeah, here it is. It's pretty sturdy. I'm gonna have to fix that hole. I'm gonna plug a bunch of these up. Probably plug these up and just have the one for the seat. And I'll just paint it black and call it a day. All right, here it is. Mocked up before I tack it. It's a little wonky, but nobody will know but me. It's not gonna be on there for life, hopefully. Let's tack this bad boy up. my sissy bar. Excuse the mess. Alright, so I got a package from LOWBROW Customs. I always order from them. Their packages are always pretty fast. I don't count on anyone being in a hurry because of where I live. But, you know, they say when it's supposed to be here and it gets here. Anyways, I bought a rim. Pretty cheap rim. I'm not gonna sit here and sugarcoat it. I just needed something to throw on my bike, on my Shovelhead. Right away, the package is cool. It's a big box, so can't really complain. I'm gonna open this bad boy and we'll check it out. All right, this is what a box looks like. LOWBROW's cool. They got tape, their own logo. I already cut it, so you don't have to deal with all the noise. But when you get a full-size brand new rim, you get a nice big fancy box. And that's what a brand new rim looks like. Pretty sweet. All right, here it is. 16-inch rear rim. Yeah, it's pretty nice for the price. I'm gonna guarantee these spokes are probably gonna rust immediately, so I'll have to put something on them, some sort of coating, because I bought a 21-inch. I didn't think it was cheap, but it's rusted. It rusted within like 6 months. Saying that now, they're horribly rusted. But this thing was only like 220 bucks. LOWBROW Customs, they're the best. I'm gonna go get a tire on this, then I'll show you what it looks like on my Shovelhead.
And don't get cheap on me.
All right, here I am in the old paint booth. It's a windy son of a bitch. There's holes all in it now. I probably should get another cover. It's kind of fucking raining down this plastic stuff on my paint job. Classic. But I got the sissy bar hanging. I just sprayed it with silver. It's good enough. And then I got the fender over here. I welded some holes. It looks like junk, but you won't be able to see it once it's put on the bike. I'm gonna let this stuff all cure, and someone's supposed to bring my tires over. I'm gonna put those bad boys on, and hopefully I'll have a pretty much rolling bike and ready to wire up. That's it for today. I'm pretty pooped on it. I worked on it all day yesterday, buttoned up whatever I was doing yesterday this morning, and now it's pretty much a roller ready to get wired up. Still needs a little bit of love, a little bit of parts here and there. I need some stuff coming in the mail that I ordered. Of course, it always takes forever to get those last 4 or 5 parts, but it's full of oil. It's holding oil anyways, and yeah, I just need to comb over it, make sure everything's secure. Yeah, I gotta just all the little stuff. The last little jump on bikes is where people usually give up, because it's like it's a never ending. It seems like at this point, if I was anybody else who was just putting their bike together, I'd be like, oh, I'm done. And then, you know, you can't even start the thing. I gotta get it timed. It needs gas. I mean, all the little stuff. I need to wire the whole thing. And you know, I got the headlights still wobbling around, just little stuff. I just gotta, at this point, you just gotta make a list and check it off. I'm going from the back to the front, and I should be done. So next video, I should be probably another video of me just buttoning everything up. Maybe another video of me timing it and starting it. And then hopefully another video of riding it would be cool. Other than that, Shovelhead, dirty old Shovelhead. Like and subscribe, check out all my other videos, see what the heck I'm doing. I'm gonna put videos out whenever I feel like it these days. I used to do it every Friday, but I'm really just concerned on getting this done and not making videos. But I appreciate everyone for sticking around. Till the next one.